Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinite Division platform. Right now loading one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2021. So let us see this question first. Question says, if force F, acceleration A and time T are chosen as a fundamental physical quantity, find the dimensions of energy. Okay, so that means you need to find out what is the dimension of energy. Energy is, let the energy is given by relationship E. Its dimension is, we already know it as ml square T minus 2. So this is the dimension of energy. Okay, it is related to force, and let its relation with the force is Fa, and it is also related to an acceleration. Let the acceleration power is, let it to which it is related is B, and it is also related to time to a power, let it be C. Okay, so what you can do is ml square T minus 2, again we'll be putting the value of dimensions of force now. So force having dimension of ml T minus 2 power raised to power A. Acceleration has dimension of L T minus 2 raised to power B, and time has dimension, let it be T. Okay, so the right hand side would comes out to be MA LA T minus 2A LB T minus 2B and T raised to power C. So it comes out to be MA L A plus B T minus 2A minus 2B plus C, and it is equivalent to ml square T minus 2. Now equating the left and right side, the right hand side, you can easily say that the power of A is 1, okay, and A plus B power is equivalent to 2. So that means B must comes out to be 1. Okay, and what about this? The power of time is minus 2, must be equal to minus 2A minus 2B plus C, and the and A is 1, B is also 1, so it would be minus 2 minus 1 1, it would be minus 4 plus C. So C comes out to be plus 2. Okay, so that means okay, it is okay, so it would be minus 4, it if comes over here, so it would be C is equal to this. So that means energy is related to force as 1, acceleration as 1, and time as 2. So which option is correct? Fa T square. So that means Fa T square. So that means second option that we are getting is the correct option that we should get. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.